Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to delete messages from iPhone. So in order to do that, first of all, launch message application on your iPhone. Now over here, if you wish to delete a whole conversation, just tap on the conversation you wish to delete and swipe it towards the left hand side. And over here, if you tap on the option of delete, you will be able to delete this whole conversation. Now just tap open the conversation, and over here you'll see various messages on your conversation box. Then long tap on the message you want to delete, then tap on more, then tap on the bin icon at the bottom left corner. Now from here, if you tap on the option of delete message, you will successfully be able to delete messages from your iPhone. And this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.